Hey there, YouTube friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that's been bothering many homeowners: bedbug infestations. The best part? We've got some effective solutions that don't involve any harmful chemicals. If you're tired of those creepy crawlies invading your sleep sanctuary, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our helpful tips. Let's dive in. Identifying the problem. Before we jump into solutions, let's make sure we're on the same page about what we're dealing with. Bedbugs are sneaky little insects that can make your nights a living nightmare. They're reddish-brown, flat, and about the size of an apple seed. You might notice tiny brownish spots on your mattress or sheets. That's a sign of bedbug activity. Preparing your space. Step 1 is to declutter and prepare your space. Start by washing all your bedding, curtains, and clothes in hot water. Seal them in plastic bags once they're clean. Next, clear the area around your bed. Vacuum the mattress, the box spring, and every nook and cranny around the bed frame. Remember to empty the vacuum outside immediately afterward. Non-chemical treatment options. Option 1. Heat treatment. Bedbugs can't survive extreme heat. One effective method is using a steamer to treat your mattress, furniture, and even the cracks and crevices. Make sure the steamer reaches at least 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius, to effectively kill the bugs and their eggs. Option 2. Diatomaceous earth. This natural powder is deadly for bedbugs. Sprinkle a thin layer of food-grade diatomaceous earth around your bed and other infested areas. It's harmless to humans and pets but dehydrates and kills the bedbugs by damaging their exoskeletons. Prevention strategies. Encase your mattress. Once you've dealt with the infestation, prevent future problems by encasing your mattress and box spring in special bedbug-proof covers. These covers prevent bedbugs from getting in or out, making it harder for them to establish themselves. Regular cleaning. Keeping a clean and clutter-free home is key to preventing bedbugs. Vacuum regularly, especially around your sleeping area, and consider using a stiff brush to scrub any seams in your mattress. And there you have it, folks, effective ways to kick those bedbugs out of your life without resorting to harmful chemicals. Remember, patience is crucial. It might take a combination of these methods and a few weeks of consistent effort to completely eliminate the infestation. Thanks for joining us today. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might need some bedbug advice. Leave your questions and suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, sleep tight and don't let the bedbugs bite. Bye.